Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing great and feeling happy today. Some problem I'm not make a videos, personal issues guys. So today's video is regularly uploaded in a YouTube channel. So guys, don't skip the video, watch the video till the end. This topic is named how to think in English. Yes, this topic is named how to think in English. Before starting the video, one thing is clear: my English is not better and not good. So guys, please don't skip the video. Okay. First of all, think in English is not as difficult as you think. To begin with, you need to stop translating every sentence from Hindi to English. Instead, try to understand the meaning and directly think in English. For example, when you see a glass of water, think this is a glass of water. Similarly, describe things around you in a simple English. Moreover, start with short and simple sentences, then slowly try to make longer sentences. Also, talk to yourself in English whenever you have free time. For instance, you can say what are you doing at the moment. However, don't worry about making mistake, because mistakes are a natural part of learning a language. Have you understood guys? Mistakes are natural part of learning a language. In addition, learn a few useful English phrases every day. After that, use those phrases in your daily conversations. Meanwhile, listening to English videos, repeat the sentences aloud. As a result, you will become more comfortable with English. Most important, don't try to speak perfect English from the beginning. Therefore, try to practicing thinking English every day. Most important, don't try to speak perfect English from the beginning. Instead, focus on expressing your thoughts clearly and simply. Finally, be patient and keep practicing, because improvement takes time. English, as you think, English is not a difficult. Mind prestige. Okay. So if you practice constantly, you will gradually start thinking English and naturally. The more you speak, the more confidence you become. The more you practice, the better you get. Don't be afraid of making mistake. First of all, the more you listen, the more you understand. The more you read, the more you learn. Try to think English, not in Hindi. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so very much watching this my video. If you are new here in this my channel, so I have a simple request. I have a simple and small request. Please subscribe my channel and like my channel. So humble request guys. I know everything, many people watch my video but don't hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So guys, simple and humble request, please one like my channel. Okay, thank you so very much.